Almost 2 years after the Noto earthquake, Tzu Chi volunteers in Japan traveled about 2 hours from Kanazawa Station to visit local residents. While traveling along the Noto-Satoyama Expressway, they witnessed clear progress in post-earthquake reconstruction. In the distance, a rainbow appeared, seeming to mark a hopeful beginning to the journey. The elderly woman then took out her bamboo bank, filled with coins. She had been waiting for the Tzu Chi volunteers to arrive.
いっぱいになったし、これいつ来るのかなと思っておった。
電話くれればよかったのに。
いっぱいになったってか。
They exchanged phone numbers and took photos, a sign that their connection with Tzu Chi would continue. She also invited 3 friends to join a tea gathering. Another elderly woman brought her own savings box to donate to Tzu Chi, and everyone received a bamboo bank. The participants also received blessing red envelopes, each containing a Jing-Si aphorism.
今日皆さんが受け取ったお年玉に書かれている聖詩語は一人一人内容が違います。
As people sang together, their voices warmed everyone's hearts. The affection between the residents of Anamizu Town and the Tzu Chi volunteers will remain long into the future. ITV reports.